Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting now. Set media volume to about 80% and turn off Do Not Disturb so sound routes normally. Make sure the speaker grill is clean and not blocked by a case, because physical obstructions cut loudness. Then open Settings right arrow sound and enable app-specific media controls. This lets you boost the app without hitting system limits. Once done, play a familiar track so you can hear changes immediately while you tweak the next settings. Now you tune and boost. Enable the built-in equalizer or Dolby enhancement and choose a loudness or bass boost preset, because EQ reshapes energy and perception. If your player has an app-level volume booster, increase in small steps. Keep under about +6 decibels to avoid clipping and distortion. For Bluetooth, switch to a higher quality codec like aptX or LDAC in developer options so wireless output is clearer and louder. Finish by testing with a clean, loud reference track to confirm perceived volume and check for distortion. If you need much more output, connect a quality external Bluetooth speaker or wired portable amp. These give real loudness gains without stressing the phone. Make sure to save preferred EQ presets. If sound clips, lower any software booster and clear the audio app cache, then update firmware or drivers. This typically resolves codec or driver issues. If nothing helps, consider professional repair for the speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.